Reina, what the heck is that noise? What noise? Ever since you moved in, I've been hearing strange noises all the time. I don't know what you're talking about. Don't lie, you've been sneaking the foxes in again, haven't you? I did plant the berry farm. They're very good. You trip on the berry bushes and magically, accidentally, surprisingly land on Reina's queen-size bed. Why am I pitting you on the bed? I don't know, I can't move. Unless you two reconcile, you may never leave this position. How? To be continued.